Yeah. See if you can see it.
It is.
It's slime.
It's called
Sorry.
Make Your Own, and it's Squishy Like Slime by Compound Kings and created by We Cool Toys Incorporated. This is not a
I
sponsored
almost knocked
promotion.
over the water.
And all you have to do is do what? Just
add water. Everything's already in it.
so we'll be right back.
Alright.
So we're gonna open it up right now.
Ow. I just hit myself with
Go ahead.
Ow.
And there's a bowl here.
Damn it.
So let's see. It's telling us to pour the instructions right here. So we fill the vial or the tube with water. We add the packet of powder. We have to shake it until the slime is mixed, and then we wait 10 minutes.
The only thing is it comes with 2 of the same colors.
So what we'll do is we will mix everything. We'll pick our packets of glitter to put in it too, and then we will wait the 10 minutes, but we're not going to wait the 10 minutes on the full video, and then we'll come right back as soon as it's done. So here's what the tube looks like. As you can see, the instructions are right on it. So the first thing we do is we fill the water to the fill line. And Mariska, you're going to do the rest of the instructions.
Alright.
So we fill the water. To the fill line. Just like I did.
Oh,
It's pretty easy to tear. That's a good thing. So the package was really easy to tear, as you could see. I do have a hole in the package. Okay, Mariska, ready?
Is that above it?
Nope, you're right at it.
Okay.
So what are we doing next? What's the next instruction?
Add our stuff.
Add the powder.
Mine doesn't feel like coming out. Hold on.
So we fix the packet. Oops, I spilled some of it on in the container, which is okay because I can pick it up and put it in. This feels like sand. When you actually touch this, it feels like sand.
Can you see this? I'm having a hard time. Can I just pour it into the bowl quick?
And then the next step would be Mariska kind of opened her package a little bit weird, so she used the bowl, which she problem solved, which is a good idea, to get it all in there.
I couldn't get it
Okay,
all out.
that's all right. So the next step is you're going to put the lid on, and you're going to shake it. Yep. So until it's mixed. Are you ready?
Make sure the lid is on fully, because that would end up really bad.
And use adult supervision, please.
Oh yes, there is a warning. Where is the bar? This is choking hazard. Small parts, not made for children under 30 years old.
Uh-oh. There's a problem. How's yours doing?
Good.
Mine's not shaking.
I don't know what.
Okay, I just had to take the spoon.
My
and
arm is getting
so we
tired.
shake it until we have to mix up, and then you switch your arms. Hold it like this, and you'll be okay. Do it this way. You're holding the. All right. So give it another couple good shakes. All right, and we will be back as soon as or after 10 minutes. I'll set a timer, and we will come back and show you the results.
We accidentally knocked her.
We bumped each other, and the lid came off just as I was going to put it up here.
I'm
So
sorry.
Mariska kind of had to switch things out real quick for me. I don't think it sets after 10 minutes. I mean, it is starting to get a little slimy, but look at how it just
It's goopy slime.
pours. It's supposed to be goopy. I mean, there's a couple little chunks in it that seem to have set,
It's
but
a chunky
I think this is a
slime.
fail. What about you?
Yes.
You ready to
Chunky
get, you want to take and get a container for yours and pour yours into a container? Where's that little bowl at?
Good question.
Yeah, because it's all over everything. Like, look. There's just no. So, and that is 10 minutes later.
Let me see how mine turned out.
So this didn't, for me, it didn't, mine didn't, and we followed both directions. We shook everything really good. We even shook a little bit longer off camera, just so we didn't bore you guys with shaking on camera the whole time. I bet you it'll work, though, if we put our own activator in it.
Yeah.
So if we do put our own activator in it, it probably will work. Yep, hers is all water, too. So, this is an epic fail. It doesn't make perfect slime in just 10 minutes, as you can see.
Usually you have
Mariska, before you stick your other hand in, could you add a little bit of contact solution to mine? So we can at least try to make some slime here. Yeah, I think if we had our own activator, I mean, it's... There's no
chance of saving it.
So this was an epic fail. You said you wanted to do a fail video, right?
Yeah, I guess that works. I mean, like, bring up things that people failed on.
Could you add a little more activator? We'll see if the activator helps. Put it in my hand. I mean, a little bit, but it's not. It's just disgusting, basically, glue, where it's almost like my hands are in glue. And it's like bad slime, as if somebody's like trying to have us fix their slime and it's just not fixable. But this is, I mean, we'll try the other ones another time, and maybe we'll try adding it to our slime another time just to see if we can get it to, and we'll just actually use the regular activators for it. But there's no
chance of saving it, I swear.
This to me is a thumbs down. I'm not even gonna.
Gloopy.
Yeah, I mean,
Gloop slime.
if this is supposed to be perfect slime, you guys tell us what you think.
Looks like that stuff that they use on that one Nickelodeon thing. Where they
Okay.
just spray people with
So
that
until
slime.
next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell.
How do we stop this?
That's a good
Oh,
question.
Instagram.